Mayong adlaw mga kahigalaan. Karon adlaw Domingo. Naot pa unta tanan mo nasa maayong mga kahimtang. Ang uban siguro nakapagsimba na. Kami diri sa amua from Monday to Saturday nagka rosary me, that is English, and for today Sunday is Latin, natapos na. Before we say the rosary, nagbasa mi og Biblia randomly. Ug karon adlaw ang nabasa sa akong misis ay ang Book of Jeremiah chapter 47. So if we will recall back, Rabbi Jeremiah existed in the year of 550 BCE. During this time, ang Israel ay nasakupan ng Babylon Empire under the King Nebuchadnezzar. So, mauni karon ang nabasa sa akong misis, Jeremiah chapter 47. This is Yahweh's word that came to the prophet Jeremiah concerning the Philistines before Pharaoh attacked Gaza. Thus says Yahweh, look, waters rise from the north. Soon they will become a raging flood, overflowing the land and all it contains, the towns and their inhabitants. All dwellers in the land will wail at the sound of the hoofs of stamping steeds, the rattle of chariots, the rumbling of wheels. Fathers forget their children as their hands fall limp. The day of ruin has come upon the Philistines. Tyre and Sidon, the last of their allies, are cut off from them. Yahweh is set to destroy the Philistines, the remnant from the coast of Kapor. Gaza is shaved bald. Ashkelon has perished. O remnant in the valley, how long will you gash yourselves, O sword of Yahweh? How long before you rest? Return to your scabbard. Stop and keep still. But how can it rest when it is Yahweh who commanded it to attack Ashkelon and the seacoast? Gospel of the Lord. This is book of Jeremiah chapter 47. Interesting ako to share it with you this morning because I was so surprised. This comes as a great coincidence to what is happening right now in the land of Gaza. So, may nakalagay, Tyre and Sidon, the last of their allies, are cut off from them. So, where is Tyre and Sidon today? Tyre is a city located 50 miles south of Beirut, the capital of Lebanon. Tyre and Sidon today are part of Lebanon. They are located on the seacoast. All the cities being mentioned in the Bible is still existing today in Israel and Gaza. The ally of Gaza are cut off, just like what is happening today in Hezbollah in the north of Israel. Tyre and Sidon belongs to the Lebanon. So the conflict right now in this part of the region, which started on October 2023, may be part of the prophecy of the book of Jeremiah chapter 47. Sinabi dito, Gaza is shaved bald. Shaved bald, what is shaved bald? Inararo, kinalbo ang lupa ayon dito sa kasulatan ni Jeremiah. So guys, thank you very much for listening to these verses of the Bible. Once again, today is Sunday. I hope you are all fine and well. Let us contemplate in times na ba talaga ngayon, what is happening today in Gaza. It is been written and stated in the book of the Bible. May read for yourself, Jeremiah chapter 47. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Keep safe and God bless.